Hi, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video I'm going to be driving around and showing you what these Hella 500 lights look like on and off with different combinations of the headlights. Now, it is important to keep in mind that these lights are Hella 500s and they're not Hella 500 FFs, so they are the slightly dimmer version, and we're going to go see how they look out on the road at night. So from the outside here, this is with the low beams on and with the Hellas on. And the Hellas, looking at it, don't look that much brighter than the normal lights, but I think they are a decent amount lighter. And if you turn around, you can see how the driveway looks. And the Hellas are really what you're seeing right here. So this right here is with just the low beams and with the Hellas off. Go low beams off, Hellas on. And this is with just the Hellas. Here are the high beams on and the Hellas on. Just Hellas. And here's it with just the Hellas on. So now I'm going to take you inside the car. We're going to go for a little drive and I'll show you these different combinations on the road. Alright guys, so this is the first run in my car with the Hellas in place, so they're not really dialed in quite yet. But right now this is just driving with the low beams, and here it is with the Hellas on. And the Hellas are super bright, and right now I'm a little bit worried that I have them angled a little bit too far up, because they are letting up, I would say, about 15 feet up these trees, which is definitely a lot. But they are super bright. Once again, here's the Hellas on. Here's the Hellas off with just the normal low beams. Here's the Hellas on, and there's Hellas with the high beams on. So Hellas with the high beams on, like, seriously lights up this road. The Hellas put off a ton of light, and the high beams really put off a wide range of light, I would say. So once again, this is Hellas on, high beams on. Here's Hellas on, low beams, and here's just the low beams. Turn them off here for that house so you can see the difference. Like I said, they put off a ton of light, and I hope this was a pretty good comparison for you guys. So if you're looking to install Hellas, check out the video on my channel, and if you're also looking at how to focus them in and adjust the range, also check those out on my channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Hellas on, and take care.